What's going on, folks? It's me, Mikey Pipes. And they say the early bird catches the worm. 5 minutes past 6 here in the morning in the great communist state of New York. We are set up to have an amazing day today. God willing, it all goes well as planned. Derek, hopefully, is starting a YouTube channel today where he is going to document the process of becoming the shop bitch to Derek, the master HVAC technician. And with being under Daniel's wing, I have no doubt that he's going to succeed and be very, very, very successful. It's awesome. Today we're going into a mega mansion that's been abandoned for many, many years. But we have a task on hand to get all of the HVAC systems fully operational. We don't have a budget, but we have to be cost conscious and decide when to repair versus when to replace. And we got some old systems, so you're not going to want to miss this. I'm going to have a full video on the Mikey Pipes Pipe Doctor YouTube channel. Check it out. You're not going to want to miss it. I got to finish my espresso. One more. I got it in a bit. I feel like I'm John Phillips right now, Mr. Sunshine. Filling my cum-catching mouth and sharing with you. Oh, it feels good. It feels great. It feels amazing. Oh, yeah. Every morning and all day long, I need to unravel flagpoles. They both tangle up so easily. They don't like spin, you know, the spinny thing. They don't spin around. And it's annoying. It really is annoying. So, I just came back from shul. It's 6:45 in the morning. See, close enough. And I see a text message from Derek. I'm like, God damn! So yesterday I texted him that create the YouTube channel, HVAC Level Up, which is what Daniel and I thought would be best out of all the choices ChatGPT gave us for his YouTube channel. So he came up with Derek, the HVAC loser to boss. I never called him a loser, all right? If he's got low self-esteem, that's on him. He goes, made a channel, let's see where it goes, LOL. And I said, maybe I'll cop some Ray-Ban glasses so I can have my POV, point of view. I write back, fire. So, just keeping it real. Keeping it real, folks. So, when Daniel and Derek and I, along with Tavon, who is our new plumbing tech, film an episode of Abandoned, mega mansions in distress, we will be good. Anyway, folks, Tuesday, August 19th, 6:45 in the morning. This morning I woke up and I see this from Air Force None and the group chat with me and the boys. Yep, arrested yet again. And it's just fucked up. It really is. So here's baby mama, arrested again. I don't know. It's whatever. You know what? It's called karma. It goes around, comes around. Here I am looking at the Mikey Pipes Cuffed by Cops unfiltered body cam when you have her sister is my best video in the last a week with, looks like I got 3,800 views. Yeah, 3,800 views, 3,796 views on this one video. Her sister, quite interesting, quite interesting. Gets pulled over in Daytona Beach, Florida, for blowing through a stop sign in her mom's white Mercedes sedan. The cop pulls her over, and she is like she's methed out. Anyway, the cop says, "Get out of the car," and sure enough, between her legs is a crack pipe. And then she's trying to squish with her foot like a piece of crack that's on the floor, the footwell of the driver's side. And another officer pulls up, and it's crazy that the officer tests the white substance, and it tests for fentanyl. And she goes, "That's not possible. I bought crack." So that's the current video right now on the Cuffed by Cops. At Cuffed Uncensored is the YouTube channel. Let me just double check that. Is it Cuffed Uncensored? Yep, it's Cuffed Uncensored. Let me show you, folks. There it is, Cuffed Uncensored, unfiltered body cam madness. I got a lot of videos up there. Wow, I actually got a lot of videos. I have 8. 8 times 4 is what, 32? So I have 32 videos up there right now. I have a bunch on reserve there. We got some really great stuff. But we do got the baby mama and her sister. We have a few videos of that. They each individually got arrested on their own. By their own. There it is, see? The sister's scam saga exposed. And then to get that many views on that one. But that's the thing with these police body cam channels, you know? You never know what's going to hit. You really never know what's going to hit. But last night, baby mama gets arrested yet again for driving with a suspended license, resisting arrest without violence, and she had a warrant. Just keeping it real. And she's calling up Air Force One last night, asking for money.
At all. I think that you pretty much just bury yourself in a hole and do whatever you want for yourself, and then you rely on others to bail you out, which has been the case nonstop.
Thank God.
Because I'm not in jail. I'm doing just fine.
I know that, honey. I'm happy that you are.
Yeah. Well, I'm honestly happy that you're in jail, because that's what you deserve. I think you need to spend some time in there and kind of get your life together, because you shouldn't be in jail, for one.
No,
and,
I should not.
And two, I mean, you just called Connor asking for money, and now you're sitting in jail. So, I mean, it's just one thing after another with you. You keep digging yourself deeper and deeper into a hole, and, I mean, that's on you. And you bring your own family down with you when you do that. And again, now you're asking me for money yet again. The last time we spoke, I told you that I did not want to speak with you if every time you called, you asked for money.
Yep. So, it's sad. It's sad yet again. But she's looking pretty fucked up and banged up. I gotta admit, like, this is rough. That's rough. That's my baby mama, keeping it real. Keeping it real. But I have been blessed. I have a great wife. I have amazing kids. And it took me some time in my youth, but I got my shit together. Just took a little bit longer than most. But it is what it is. And here I am. I got free therapy right here, folks. Love all you guys. Anyway, have a blessed Tuesday. I have a surprise for you guys, but I'm not going to drop it yet. But it's pretty epic. It has to do with Sarasota, Florida. So just make sure you smash that thumbs up button. Make sure you subscribe and hit that alarm bell to get post notifications when I drop a video, which is usually every morning. But I got a surprise coming up for you guys. And a hint, Sarasota, Florida. Talk to you later. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.